Glimpses of Modern Science, Class 7. Chapter 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. Weather. Weather refers to the atmospheric conditions at a particular place and time for a short duration, described mainly by temperature, humidity, rainfall, and wind speed. These are called the elements of weather. The meteorological department collects data on these elements to prepare weather reports and make predictions. The maximum temperature of the day occurs in the afternoon, while the minimum temperature occurs early in the morning. These are measured by a maximum and minimum thermometer or by modern digital thermometers. Thus, weather conditions vary throughout the day due to changes in heat, moisture, and air movement. Climate. The long-term pattern of weather of a particular place is called the climate of that place. For example, a hill station like Darjeeling has a cold climate as it prevails cold conditions there for most part of the year. The climate of a place or region describes the long-term pattern of weather, whereas the weather explains the variations which take place in the atmosphere on a day-to-day basis. Factors which affect climate. 1. Distance from the sea. Coastal areas are cooler and more humid, while inland areas are hotter due to lesser sea influence. 2. Ocean currents. Cold currents make climate cool and dry, while warm currents make it warm and wet. 3. Direction of winds. Winds from cold regions are cool and dry, Himalayas, while those from hot regions, deserts, are warm and dry. 4. Altitude. Higher altitudes are cooler as air retains less heat, while plains are warmer. 5. Latitude. Equatorial regions are hotter due to direct sun rays, poles are colder due to slanting rays. 6. Human activities. Deforestation and industrialization increase greenhouse gases, causing the greenhouse effect and global warming. Adaptations in animals in polar regions. The polar regions have extremely cold climate. Throughout the year, these regions remain covered with snow. The North Polar region is called the Arctic region and the South Polar region is called the Antarctic region. The sun does not rise for half of the year and does not set for the other 6 months. Some countries of polar region are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, USA, Finland, Norway, Sweden and Siberia in Russia. Polar bears and penguins are the animals living in polar regions. Adaptation shown by polar bears. Polar bears have special adaptations for survival in the Arctic. A thick layer of fur and fat keeps them warm, while their white color camouflages them from prey. Their large feet distribute body weight on snow, and soft papillae on paw pads provide grip on ice. They possess a strong sense of smell to locate prey and sharp canines for hunting. Female polar bears practice hibernation, digging snow dens to remain inactive in winter and give birth to their cubs. Adaptation shown by penguin. Penguins are aquatic, flightless birds adapted to the cold Antarctic region. They have thick skin and fat for warmth, a streamlined body, and wings modified into flippers for swimming. On land, they use wings and tails for balance and often slide on snow to save energy. With strong underwater vision, they avoid predators and locate prey. Penguins drink salty water and excrete excess salt through their nasal passages. Some birds in polar regions cannot survive extreme cold and hence migrate, like Siberian cranes and European swallows. Adaptations in animals of tropical rainforests. Animals in tropical rainforests adapt to the hot, humid climate and heavy rainfall. Elephants have large ears to keep cool, while tigers and lions use thick skin, sharp eyesight, and hearing to hunt. Monkeys and apes are arboreal, using limbs, tails, and sticky pads, and frogs, to climb trees. Chameleons catch prey with their sticky tongue and change skin color for camouflage. In hot, dry climates, snails secrete mucus to retain moisture, ostriches use feathers for sun protection, and camels have wide feet to walk on sand.